What does it take to be successful online? That's the question that we're going to be discussing today. And it's I'll give you a hint. It's 3 words. I'm going to tell you a story and see if you could fill in the blanks. I'm a soldier. As you guys can tell in my previous videos, I'm a soldier. And while in basic training years ago, I always wanted to score 300. 300 is when you get 100 in all 3 of the events that we do for our physical assessment test. And I always want to score like 300 plus. Always. I work so hard. I fail 15 times before I score that 300 plus on my PT test. I mean, I asked drill sergeants like what additional stuff I could do. I mean, I always get like a 290 or 288 or 291, 95. I went as close as 299. And I was like, I got to get this 300 or 300 plus. And I tried 15 times before I got that 300 plus, guys. 15 times. Now, what does it take to be successful online? Can you guess? The 3 words are do not quit. Whatever you do, do not quit. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. Real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please ensure that you just go ahead. You could go ahead right now and subscribe, or when you're finished watching this video, you go ahead and subscribe. And also hit that little bell so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. I do a video every day. And I'm always dropping nuggets, always dropping golden nuggets in my videos. Something that you could take away, or just take away from the video. It could be applied to your everyday life. It could be applied to your business. Basically, I'm just talking about how to make money online, right? And how to be successful at making money online. Guys, I can't say this enough. In order to be successful online, you have to keep at the fight. You have to keep going at it. It doesn't matter how your days are going. It doesn't matter if all you're seeing is failing. It's not working out. Just tweak it a little bit and keep on going. The moment you stop, you have failed. The moment you stop, you quit. Quitters win nothing. Quitters get nothing. That's it. Point blank, period. If you want something out of life, you have to fight for it. You have to. There's no ifs, ands, or buts around this. You have to fight for it. I have another real quick story for you. When this was like probably, I want to say 15 years ago, I had an injury. And it kept on coming back. When I went to the doctor said, this is a permanent injury. It's not going anywhere. It will just keep on returning. Went online, I went to YouTube, and I Googled, people with that issue and how they went about, just working with it. Throughout my video watching, I saw this video wherein a young man showed step by step how to get over this injury. But it was something that you had to do for 90 days, every day, consistently, every day for 90 days. And I remember like on day 15, I said, I don't think I'm going to go through with this. Well, I stopped. And the funny thing is, 3 days or so after I stopped, the pain got worse. See, my body was getting used to the steps that I was following. My body was getting used to it. So the moment I stopped, it not just went back to where it was before, but it got worse, right? And I said, okay. I stopped and restarted like twice, or 3 times. I think it was. I think it was 3 times. So I stopped and I started back 3 times, and then the third time, I said, this is it. If I should start again, it has to be for the 90 days. Man, I'm telling you, day 30, oh my goodness. Day 30 it was so terrible, right? But I say I got to 1/3 of this process. I already completed 1/3 of this process. I can't stop now. And when I got to day 60, I felt like I was all clear, right? Felt like I was all clear, but I never stopped. I never stopped. Even though I felt better, I never stopped. Completed 90 days, and now 15 years later, I haven't had a pain, I haven't had a twitch, I haven't had a reminder of that. Mark you, I still, every now and then do over the steps again, which is an additional 90 days. So I think probably like every 3 year, every 2 year, I'll do over the step over, again, just to keep on, reminding my body, I guess, to prevent that from returning. I say that to say this. The same thing applies to online marketing. Put some work in the first 90 days or so. Maybe the first year. Maybe the first 2 years. But what will happen is that work that you put in will keep on working for you, even on days when you're just chilling out. Even on days when you just don't feel like doing anything. That work that you put in initially will keep on working for you, as long as you do not quit. Online marketing is not an overnight business. It's not a 30-day business. It's a lifetime business. It's basically a lifestyle. It's not a job. It's a lifestyle. And how you live your lifestyle, you feed your online business healthy stuff, healthy information, good habits, good practices. Guess what? It's going to keep up. It's going to keep on maintaining itself even when you're not there to maintain it. That's the same process, guys. It doesn't take a rocket scientist. If I can make it online, anybody can make it online. I struggle with everything. So if I can do it, you can do it. Hit my link below and let's start this journey together. I will be there with you step by step. So feel free to leave a comment. If you'd like me to talk about anything, just feel free to leave it in the comment below, or you can hit me up on Facebook. We can be friends on Facebook, guys. Let's be friends. How about that? We could be friends. You could send me a private message. I check my messages and my comments on my videos daily. So hit me up and let's see how I can help you. And let's see how I can improve on the information that I'm providing to you. Again, if you haven't subscribed, ensure that you subscribe to my link, because I drop nuggets every day, baby. Every day I drop nuggets. You walk away with something from my video. So ensure that you subscribe and you hit that bell for notification. Thank you guys for hopping on, and I'll see you tomorrow.